Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Minecraft error code Deep Ocean. Chapter 1. How to fix Minecraft error code Deep Ocean repairing Xbox. To start, enter Xbox in the search box. Click on App Settings. After this, click on the Repair option. Wait for this process to finish. When finished, click Reset. Confirm this operation and wait for the application to reset. Chapter 2. How to fix Minecraft error code Deep Ocean from PowerShell. To get started, in the search box enter PowerShell. Click Run as administrator and click Yes to authorize. First, run the on-screen command to disable developer mode. Press Enter. After this, execute the command you see on the screen and wait for everything to be registered again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. How to fix Minecraft error code Deep Ocean repairing store. To start, enter Store in the search box. Click on App Settings in the Microsoft Store. Now click on the Repair option. He hopes the store will be repaired. When finished, click Reset. It will be necessary to confirm the process. Wait for the store to be restored. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.